Hey, we're getting ready to cook some chicken fingers and some catfish on the Blackstone Griddle. Now for our chicken fingers, we got all-purpose flour with salt, pepper, and garlic mixed in with it. And we have a milk and egg wash to drag it through. Now this time I'm gonna dip the chicken into the egg wash once, put it into the flour, get it coated, and then lay it on the pan. And here we have about 1.25 pounds of catfish fillets, or nuggets if you want to call it that. Okay, we have our catfish soaking in sweet milk, and our flour and cornmeal mix is 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And we'll mix that all up well here in a short, and then we'll run the catfish through it and lay it on the pan to get ready to go out on the griddle. Mix it all up and get it all well incorporated for them catfish nuggets. Now just get you one out of that bowl of milk there and let it drip a bit, and then lay it over into the flour and cornmeal mix. Get it covered really well. Once that's done, just kind of shake it off a little bit and lay it over in the pan. You have heard me say this time and time again. It is going to be mighty larapin'. And I don't care who you are. Larapin' is a genuine word. And for y'all that's never heard that word before, the definition of larapin' is delicious. Hey, we're going to have this asparagus with this too, but also we're going to have French fries, mashed potatoes, and white country pepper gravy. Now right there, that's going to cause your tongue to slap your brains out. It tastes so good. Okay, we got some asparagus here. We're going to put on the griddle here in a minute. But right now, put a little oil down over here. I'm going to turn this down. And that going on here. We're going to cook catfish and chicken fingers together. I'm going to shut these end ones off over here because I think that'll be where I'll put the asparagus. But right now, we're going to lay down these chicken fingers. Get them going. Okay, we'll get this all a little more oil down in here. Now, get this catfish over here. Look at that. Oh, that looks good. Got a bone there. Don't really need that there. These turn. Oh yeah. Them are looking good. A little long on them, wasn't it? But they look good. That is golden brown. They're just right. Okay, we need to get a little more oil on there though. Ought to do it. Now we're gonna put some over here. Very good down here. Oh yeah. Okay. Get this asparagus going over here. Season that a bit. Got a few dries I'm going to finish up here. Get rid of. Someone made them. Just a little bit. Yes. Hey, click on one of them other videos and I'll meet you there.